Welcome to the best picks. The best UTV Snow Plow Kit is probably one of the most versatile and efficient ways to tackle winter's snowfalls, transforming your UTV into a powerful snow clearing machine, saving you time and effort while ensuring safety and efficiency in snow removal operations. This video will guide you through the top picks and essential factors to consider when choosing the right kit for your needs and budget, ensuring a smooth and efficient snow removal process throughout the winter season. Number 5. Motoalliance Denali 72 UTV Plow. Introducing the Motoalliance Denali 72-inch UTV Snow Plow Kit. It's designed for a universal fit on virtually any UTV, making snow removal a breeze. This kit boasts a truly universal design. Years of experience and thousands of satisfied customers back up our claim that it will fit your machine perfectly. It comes complete with everything you need: plow blade, mount, wear bar, and more. You'll be ready to tackle the snow in no time. Made of heavy-duty 12-gauge steel, it's built to withstand even the toughest winter conditions. It won't bend or fold under pressure. With 5 adjustable positions and a 65-degree attack angle, it efficiently moves snow. The over-center design ensures optimal snow removal. Designed and supported by a dedicated USA team, you'll have expert assistance every step of the way. We're here for you before, during, and after your purchase. What we like. This kit boasts unparalleled compatibility, fitting virtually any UTV. It comes with all the necessary components for a seamless setup. If you value convenience and a hassle-free installation, this is the plow for you. What people say. The assembly instructions are easy to follow. They are a little tricky when it comes to figuring out how to mount the plow to the vehicle. But when you apply some common sense, it all becomes clear. The Denali designers went through a lot of thought to figure out how to accommodate a wide range of ATVs and UTVs. They provided all the hardware to handle almost any situation. Assembly was easy and all of the parts that I paid for were there. After looking at the mounting possibilities with their provided hardware, I welded it to the frame of my CF Moto 800 ZFORCE trail. Number 4. Denali 72 HD UTV Snow Plow. Clear your path with ease this winter. It's built tough for superior snow removal, saving you time and effort. This plow is compatible with a wide range of UTVs and mini trucks. It easily attaches to your 2-receiver hitch. It's made from 11-gauge steel for lasting durability. This ensures it can handle even the toughest winter conditions. Installation and removal are quick and easy. Keep your winch at its factory location or mount it on the plow itself. Everything you need is included: plow blade, mount plate, wear bar, push tubes, skid feet, and hardware. It's ready to go right out of the box. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 3-year manufacturer's warranty. What we like. This heavy-duty plow is built to withstand tough conditions and is designed for quick attachment and detachment. The extended warranty provides extra peace of mind. If you need a durable and reliable option with a long-term guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. The fit and finish is top-notch and all the parts and instructions were included. Since this plow has feet that keep the blade slightly above the surface, I mostly just push snow and not gravel now. Angling the plow is very easy, as to depress a lever and swing the blade with hardly any force at all. I found I could plow angled 2 notches to either side without having my wheels drive through unplowed snow. Number 3. KFI 72 Polaris Ranger Plow Kit. This kit is designed for Polaris Ranger 900 XP and XP crew models from 2013 to 2019. It's the ultimate solution for clearing snow with ease and efficiency. We are proud to say that it is manufactured right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and durability. The kit includes a 72-inch Pro Poly plow blade, push tubes, and a Polaris Ranger plow mount. Everything you need for a complete installation. It features a flexible, heavy-duty black poly face, reinforced with a 3/16-inch grade 50 steel rib and frame. This ensures it can handle tough conditions. The plow also has 2-sided 3/16 by 3.00 grade 50 steel wear bars for superior protection and longevity. It's built to last. This kit is designed for easy installation on your Polaris Ranger. Clear snow quickly and efficiently with minimal effort. What we like. This plow is entirely made in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and construction. The flexible poly blade is tough yet forgiving on surfaces. If you prioritize American-made quality in a durable yet flexible blade, this is your best choice. What people say. Installed on my Polaris 900 XP Ranger. This is a great addition to your Side X side. It came very well packaged and I received my entire order totaling 3 boxes 4 days earlier than the date quoted. This plow is sturdy and I was able to push a lot of heavy wet snow in my driveway. It easily hooks up and disconnects to the machine with 2 pins and winch cable. It works great, angles very easy, and plows better than I expected being it is a poly plow. Number 2. Denali 66 Polaris Ranger Plow Kit. Clear your path with ease this winter. This kit is designed for superior strength and performance. It's built to last with 11-gauge steel and reinforced ribs. You'll tackle even the toughest snowdrifts with confidence. 7 reinforced ribs and stabilizers provide superior strength and stability, ensuring it can handle any job. It's a perfect fit for various Polaris Ranger models, from 2010 to 2022. Check compatibility to ensure it fits your machine. Everything you need is included: plow blade, mount plate, wear bar, push tubes, skid feet, and all installation hardware. Get plowing quickly and easily. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 3-year warranty. What we like. This plow features a reinforced blade design for superior strength and durability. The extended warranty offers additional protection. If you need a robust and reliable plow with a long-term guarantee, this is a great option. What people say. The mount hooked up perfectly. This company has done their research. Holes matched up easy. It did the job without any issues and was easy to install. The mounting kit fit my Ranger perfectly. This plow was easy to install on my mom's 2015 Polaris Ranger 570 EFI midsize and performs really well. I am able to plow my driveway, both of my mom's, and 2 of my neighbors' driveways in less than 2 hours. Number 1. KFI 66 ZFORCE Snow Plow Kit. Clear your path with ease this winter. This kit is designed for your CF Moto's, ensuring a powerful and efficient snow removal experience. It's built with pride and precision right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and durability. This heavy-duty steel blade tackles even the toughest snow. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. It's made of 11-gauge steel for exceptional strength and resilience. You'll be able to plow through deep snow with confidence. The plow features a 316 by 3.00 grade 50 steel wear bar on both sides. This significantly extends its lifespan and protects against wear and tear. Everything you need is included: the plow blade, push tubes, and the CF Moto's plow mount. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. What we like. This plow is proudly made in the USA, guaranteeing superior quality and craftsmanship. The heavy-duty steel blade and durable wear bar ensure long-lasting performance. If you value American-made quality and long-lasting durability, this is the plow for you. What people say. All of the parts are well made, in USA, and very heavy-duty. The blade alone is about 85 pounds, push tubes were easy to install, very solid. And the mounting plate's smallest part is about 40 pounds. Easy to install, quality parts, worth paying more for a good quality USA-made product. UTV has been a household brand name for ages. Setup was very simple to understand. Heavy steel construction. Great instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.